this Agri Horti Tech exhibition is being conducted with the partnership of Radicals and Rural Yellow organizations along with the government of Telangana departments of related to agriculture. The purpose is to really build some kind of awareness building among farmers about the technologies available and the material available, the machinery available, the equipment available, and the drip equipment available for the purpose of improving the productivity of the farmers. So we also have participated in this basically to improve the efficiencies of our agro systems in Telangana state. So we are expecting the farmers to come and see all these stalls where they can see different technologies available, and especially 6 other countries like Germany, USA, Turkey, Israel. These people also have come and they have also exhibited their technologies in agri related, and this is a very wonderful thing. So we expect that the farmers and the other stakeholders in agriculture sector, they will come and they will participate in this. Today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, the 3 days I think the exhibition is open and people can come and see, and maybe I think urban people also they can always see and encourage the various stakeholders of agriculture. So from government side, the agriculture university and horticulture department, agriculture department and seed development corporation and Telangana oil fed and Telangana seed agency, seed certifying agency and Telangana Agro Industries Corporation. So we all have participated in this. We are participating for the basic. Maybe I think the farmers also they can come here and they see. They can also know what are the various government programs related to agriculture and horticulture are available.